Hello everyone, Jubimay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bedroom Christmas decor tour. I hope you guys like it. Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Yes, guys, I want to show you guys my bedroom or my master's Christmas decor tour. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you. Hello guys, so this is our master's bedroom. So once you enter guys, what you can see is, yes, as you can see, the bed. So that is, yes guys, that is the comforter and the cover. I bought these two things from Amazon last year, yes. And this small blanket on top guys is the one that I bought from the other shop the other day. Yes, the color, the other side is like this, Christmassy, but because you know it's red and white and it's not so nice if I put this way, so much better if white. Yes, and yes guys, so you will see this bedside table. Yes, so we have this very small Christmas tree guys. Yes, as you can see that with red balls and pines. Yes guys, so that's the decoration. And we have here one photo of me and my husband and this bedside lamp. And guys, if you remember the one that I told you in my previous vlog, so we put it here guys. Yes, when we change our living room, the order of the living room, so we put it here and the rest, yeah, but this picture frame was here before already. And yes guys, we have this Merry Christmas banner here. Yes, as you can see that it says Merry Christmas. It is really Christmassy here. So guys, if you remember these two pillows, these two red and the two cream or beige, yes guys, yes, that was in my previous video also. Yes guys, so yes guys, so this is our bedroom. And also guys, we have, or I put this small Christmas tree here. Yes, and yeah, it's like that guys, our bedroom. So nothing special guys, only few touches of our bedroom. Yes. Yes guys, I forgot to show you also guys that, you know, this dresser, I put the dresser here and we put the TV. This is our old TV guys, so we are using it here in our bedroom. Yes. Hi darling. Okay guys, let's continue and let's go to Haley's bedroom. So guys, once you enter to Haley's bedroom, you can see this ladybug here on the door. Yes, so I didn't do any extravagant here guys, just small things. Yes, like this Christmas tree. Yeah. Yes, guys, so this is Hailey's piano. That was her present, her birthday present last year. Yes, because she plays piano, guys. She goes to piano classes and also music language. So she also has this small table because she likes to do some crafts here. Yes. Okay, guys, she has this book. She has also boxes or some toys or some toy there. She has this car and books as well, and more books and more books. And yes, guys, so that is the Christmas tree, guys, that I put it here in her bedroom, and also the pictures that were in our bedroom before, so I put it here in her bedroom. Yes, guys, and we have also these reindeer, small reindeer. So she has these red ornaments and silver ornaments, guys, and then the light. Yeah, yes, and I put this one like a skirt, for the small tree. And let's move on to her bed. Yes, guys, so she has this bed, and on her headboard she loves these stuffed animals. She has this dog, cat, and a unicorn. And also, guys, we put also these 3 stockings here. That way it's like, you know, really Christmas in her bedroom too. And also, guys, yes, I put this one here on her bed. Yes, guys, if you remember this one we bought also to the shop, you know, maybe if you watch my previous video, guys, in my haul, I mean the title was things for Christmas haul, something like that. So I put it here, guys. Yes, guys, so this is Hailey's bed. This is Hailey's simple bed. Yes, guys. Yes, Lakota, hi. Yes, guys, so this is Hailey's simple bedroom, right, Hailey? And Hailey sleeps so well in her bedroom. Yes. Right, Hailey? And Lakota wants to sit. Yes, guys, so this is Hailey's simple bedroom, guys. This is one of the best days of my life, guys. So much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave a nice comment and please consider subscribing before you leave. See you again soon with a new video. Bye!